welcome to this meditation. It's a complete improvisation. That means that nobody knows what's gonna come up, including myself. I just wanted to know, actually I don't need to know anything. I wanted you to know that this is going to be very relaxing, despite of I'm speaking very quickly right now. The only reason why I'm actually speaking very quickly right now is because I want to get this done very quickly so we can move to this space which is going to be very relaxing. But before that, I just wanted to remind you that really you need to get ready for this, because you're going to be so relaxed, you're going to be so unwind that if you're holding your phone at the top of your head, it will slap, it will just might fall down and slap your face. So that can be dangerous. So that's just a disclaimer. And I hope that you can be comfortable, safe, without any falling phones on your face. And let's get started. And I hope that you have found either a comfortable position to lie down or a very, very, very comfortable position has found you. And I hope really the second option is the truth, which means that now you can lie down and either close your eyes or just let them to do whatever they want to do until yes, you know what I mean. And relax your body. Notice how good it is to simply be in this skin. Notice how good it is to be simply doing this. Even though this is not any doing, this is simply being, which is different. Doing only happens in thought. Maybe you haven't thought about it, but doing actually only happens in thought. Because what happens is just unfolding spontaneously, and you don't need to do or make any effort about it. So just notice with your listening to all the sounds, all everything, the sounds that make sense to you, and maybe even some other ones that we label words that might not make much sense, but it's only in your favor, because I care about you so much. I want to give your mind a little break. And in this nonsense that you might be experiencing, in this whole guided meditation, me through. Let me 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me clear my throat. And as I was clearing my throat, I want to invite you to clear your mind. And so imagine a whole bunch of cleaning ladies putting on these yellow gloves and with their little brooms getting inside of your mind and just cleaning it inside. Cleaning and dusting and tickling on the inside maybe a little bit. Just something a little unusual. But notice how good it's gonna feel once your mind is all clean. When your mind is clean and when your mind is clear, then without doubt you can really see. And so you won't be seeing through the particles called expectations and judgments about everything, just like in regular life. Notice that those cleaning ladies are really going for it. They're cleaning all the dust particles called judgments and fantasies about something different than what already is. They're also cleaning all the hope. What? Hope? No! Leave it! I need it! A thought might say. And in that can respond, hey, you're just a thought. And you mean nothing. Let me simply listen to see what happens. Because when I hope for any better experience in the future, even though it feels so comforting, even though it feels so safe, all the hopes, without exceptions, are built in a castles made of mush. And as such, they take you away from the natural empire of what already is available, including the mystery that life really already always is. And I hope that you have found either a comfortable position to lie down or a very, very, very comfortable position has found you. And I hope really the second option is the truth, mind, which means that now you can lie down and either close your eyes and in this nonsense or just let them to do whatever they want to do until meditation, until until let me through. Let me until 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me clear my throat. And yes, you know what I mean. As I was clearing my throat. And relax your body, clear your mind. Notice. And so imagine how good it is to simply be in this skin yellow gloves. Notice how good it is to be your mind, simply cleaning and doing this, cleaning, dusting, this, tickling on the inside, even though this is not any doing unusual. But notice simply being, which is different. Notice how good it's doing only happens in thought. When your mind is clean, maybe you haven't thought about it, but doing actually only happens without doubt. Because what happens is just unfolding spontaneously, and you don't need to do or make any effort about it. So just notice with your listening and judgment, listening about all just like the sounds, all everything, cleaning, ladies, the sound, really going for it, that makes sense to you, cleaning all the dust particles called judgment and fantasies, maybe about something, even some other ones than what already is, that we label words. They were so cleaning all the whole, but might not make much sense. No, leave it. I need but it's it. Only a thought in your favor, and in that, because I care about you so much. Hey, you're just I want to give you a mind, and you mean nothing. A little. Let me simply listen. A little to see what happens. Pray. Because when I hope for any and in this nonsense experience that you might be experiencing, even though it feels whole guided meditation, even though it feels so safe. Oh, let me through. Let me 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me clear my throat. And as I was clearing my throat, I want to invite you to clear your mind. And so imagine a whole bunch of cleaning ladies putting on these yellow gloves, in with their little brooms of what already getting inside of your mind, and just cleaning and cleaning it inside, cleaning and dusting, tickling on the inside, maybe a little bit, just something a little unusual. But notice how good it's gonna feel once your mind is all clean. When your mind is clean, and when your mind is clear, then without doubt you can really see. And so you won't be seeing through the particles called expectations and judgments about everything, just like in regular life. Notice that those cleaning ladies are really going for it. They're cleaning all the dust particles called judgments, and fantasies about something different than what already is. They're also cleaning all the hope. What? Hope? No! Leave it! I need it! A thought might say. And in that, can respond, hey, you're just a thought. And you mean nothing. Let me simply listen to see what happens. Because when I hope for any better experience in the future, even though it feels so comforting, even though it feels so safe, all the hopes, without exceptions, are built in a castles made of mush. And as such, they take you away from the natural empire of what already is available, including the mystery that life really already always is.